Hi, this is Jason Champagne of Native Chef LLC. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a really fun and easy recipe, turkey chili. And turkey is really great to use, ground turkey, especially because it's lower in saturated fat than regular ground beef. And that's very important for our health. And another great thing is that it's a really easy recipe. There's not a lot of ingredients involved with it. And we all have busy lives out there, myself as well, and I don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen. So if you're like me and you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen, this recipe is perfect for you. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's get started. First up here, we're going to finely mince some garlic. Then we'll chop up some yellow onion. Now we're going to start by sauteing our garlic and our onion. And I just want to cook this for about a minute. Now we'll add our lean turkey. We just want to cook this until it's all cooked all the way through. And now after we have it broken up really good and cooked all the way through, we're going to add some cumin and some chili powder. Really mix this into the meat well. Now after the seasonings are mixed well, we're going to add some beans, some tomato sauce, some diced tomatoes with the juice. Now we want to bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to turn it down. We're going to simmer it for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then right before service here, we'll add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Now we'll dish some up. Then you can use any garnish you want. I'm just choosing to use a little bit of shredded cheese. Make it look nice and add another color right on top. Really easy recipe, really flavorful, and adding that garnish makes it go so far, makes it look really nice with that extra color. So to recap on today's recipe, I'm using 93% lean ground turkey. If you use any lower fat than that, like 85%, you may have to drain some of that fat. It's quite a bit lower in saturated fat, which is really great compared to ground beef. And any type of canned beans you use in this, make sure that you rinse those off. That'll help keep this at a lower sodium content. And then the consistency is completely up to you on this. If you want less water or more water, or if you just want to simmer it longer to get rid of some of the liquid, the consistency is completely up to you. And be careful adding sodium to this dish, because there's a lot of sodium in the canned tomatoes, the tomato sauce, the diced tomatoes. And then always remember that more than likely people at the table are going to use table salt anyways. So keep it lower, at least give it to them. Really easy, great dish. I had a lot of fun making this one. If you'd like this recipe and many other really great recipes, you can find that at the GoodHealthTV.com/recipes website. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay well, eat well, and always remember to have fun in the kitchen.